Hey, hi, in this video, we're going to look at fooView FV front viewer app, okay, and how to use it, okay. Once you get used to use it, you discover a lot of functions you have never actually dreamed possible in one app. I use it as an app switcher. It can work as a browser. It can It can work as a file manager, music player, video player, picture viewer, PDF viewer, clipboard, screenshot, screen recorder, copy and translate, and lots more. Okay, now this app is really cool. Okay, it simplifies the work of navigating on Android, right? So some of you, when you're using this app, sometimes you realize it can be flagged as if it's not safe, as if it's kind of infected. I use the Bitdefender app on my phone. It kind of scans for viruses, and sometimes actually it flags this app. Okay, what I can say is that's taking care of false. fooView is a massively popular legendary Android power user utility created by fooView. It's not a malicious piece of software trying to steal passwords or wipe backing details. Okay. However, because the app offers a massive suite of features for free, the developers monetize the app using integrated mobile ad networks. Some of these ad networks use aggressive tactics like preloading background ads, checking device IDs, or tracking clicks to maximize ad revenue, which viruses like Bitdefender clarify as ad cheating or kind of behavior anomalies. Okay, so if you're using Bitdefender and it scans this app as maybe as infected or something, it's actually false. Okay, it's just giving you a heads up, but fooView is perfectly fine. All right. So I'm just doing this. I'm just telling someone who may actually think that maybe the app may not be safe. It's kind of safe. Okay, just that as I've explained. Okay, so that is it, guys. If this video was useful, you can kind of leave me a like, or you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.